Welcome, hotel guests. Today, let's have a look at the Candy Cane Inn. Just a short 6-minute walk from Disneyland. Or you can take their free trolley service. This little hotel has a bit of a cult following due to its free breakfast and free parking and close proximity to Disneyland. So if you stay here and fall in love, try and keep the secret. Let's have a look. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with Disney hotel news. The property is in a U shape with the lobby, the pool and breakfast area taking up the center, and the rooms lining the outside of the U. In the lobby, you'll find a seating area and a infused water station where you can fill up your water bottles before heading off to the parks. There's also a cute little gift shop with some adorable hotel-specific items, such as these magnets, along with a few essentials you may have forgotten or just for your convenience. Of course, I'm always on the lookout for Dr. Pepper, and they sell it in their case here. On to the breakfast. They call it a continental breakfast, so don't expect many hot items here aside from the oatmeal. There's cereal, chocolate syrup, so you can make some chocolate milk if you need that. Of course, coffee, some granola, some yogurt, tea, some fruit, some meats and cheeses. And over here they have a selection of pre-made breakfast sandwiches. I think there was a ham, a turkey, and a vegetarian variety. And of course, all the pastries. And if you head out to the pool deck to sit, you'll also find your own waffle making station. So the only two hot items on this breakfast are the oatmeal and the waffles. Some room types also include breakfast being delivered to your door, but that would just be the cold items, no oatmeal or waffles being delivered to your room. But this is a fantastic pool deck, especially at this time of day, just as the sun is setting and the little fireplace comes on and the lights come on. It's so gorgeous. The ambiance at this hotel is absolutely spectacular. We've got a little jacuzzi hot tub underneath this pergola or gazebo. And then behind the hot tub is a little splash pool in addition to the main pool on the other side. Just for the kiddos, only about a foot or so deep. The rooms do face the parking area and they're an outdoor hallway. Now let's go have a look at a king room. After COVID, the Candy Cane Inn underwent some major renovations, so the whole property, including the rooms, are pretty much brand new since 2023. Now I realize this is only a king room, so we should only be expecting 2 people staying here, but I did find there to be a slight lack of storage space. So this would concern me for anyone having a group in a room that has 3 or more people in it. Be mindful of that. Freezer space can be hard to come by in the Anaheim resort area, so that little freezer box in that tiny fridge is actually quite a find. One of my pet peeves with hotel rooms is a lack of hanging space for your towels. But if you noticed on the back wall of the shower, there were 2 hooks. There were also 3 or 4 hooks out by the sink area. So Candy Cane has me happy when it comes to space for hanging space for hanging towels. If this looks like the hotel for you on your Disneyland trip, there is a booking link down in the show description. For more hotel tours, subscribe to Disney Hotel Lady. Until next time, stay comfy.